Wait, this isn't real fur? This started as a normal flat design, but we used AI to turn it into a hyper-realistic luxury white fur. And I mean every single strand looks real. But here's the real test. Can we actually print this? Press it onto a black shirt and make it look real in person? No Photoshop, no manual texture work, just AI doing all the heavy lifting. Today, we're not just transforming the design, we're also making it fully DTF print ready to see if this insane fur effect actually holds up on fabric. Let's find out if AI just changed apparel design forever. All right, guys, we are here on ChatGPT. I'm gonna show you how easy this is. First, we're just gonna go to our website, look for prompt fur, copy the prompt, and then go back to ChatGPT. We're gonna paste that prompt in. We're gonna create image, and then look for the image that you want to transform. Ours is gonna be this DTF rules in space Y2K logo. It was a simple logo we found on Kittle, so. After that, we're just gonna quickly just go over the prompt, and just like that, we're just gonna make an image. Give it a few seconds, we'll be able to get that set. Wow, guys, this came out phenomenal. I'm not even lying to you. I expected very low results, but this came out really good. I'm actually very excited to see this on a shirt, so I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's just download this.
Hey superstars, print shops and clothing brands are already using these prompts to create effects that used to take hours in Photoshop. Puff print, leather patches, embroidery, silicone, denim, they're all AI generated, all DTF ready, all proven on real fabrics. The playbook is in the description below. Now back to our video.
Because now we definitely need this printed. So let's go to transfers, DTF gang sheet builder. We're gonna build our own gang sheet. Start a brand new gang sheet, and then we're gonna upload our image. So the reason why we're doing the gang sheet builder, even though like our simpler way is just uploading your artwork straight off, since our artwork isn't the right size we want it to be, we want it to be at least 10-inch width. Since it's not at the appropriate resolution for that size, we're gonna have to actually edit it. So we're gonna upscale the quality. It's gonna give us a little time. All right, push apply. Now that we have a green line, we are good to go. We're just gonna duplicate our image. Now we have 2 on our gang sheet. That's perfect for printing. Let's save and add to cart. Oh, but wait, we have some semi-transparent pixels, guys. This is a good way to find out. This is so hard to tell too, but I'm guessing it's the edging because of the hair. But again, guys, this is how great this is. You could definitely find out exactly what needs to get done before you get it printed. So let's do that real quick. Halftone those edges. Right now, what you're probably seeing is some semi-transparent pixels all around those edges. It's where the fur is coming out. So in order for it to kind of come out in a way where we want it perfect, we're just gonna basically halftone those edges. That's why you see these smaller dots on these edges, making it where no semi-transparent pixels will be shown, and it's gonna come out very, very nicely, guys. I love it so far. This is gonna look great. So let's push apply. After we push apply, we're just gonna duplicate the image. Now we have 2 perfect images for DTF. And to just double check, no overlapping, no low resolution, all items are on the artboard, and no semi-transparent pixels detected. It looks great, guys. Now we're just gonna add to cart and get this printed. We got the prints ready. Let's take a closer look at them.
Okay, let's go.
Let's take a closer look here. Guys, the definition is unreal. This looks so realistic. It pops. I love the way the color contrasts on towards the shadowing. Those halftones are gonna look crazy on that black shirt. I'm very stoked, guys. Let's take a good clean look on the back. Guys, you don't understand. This is very hard to replicate with DTF. This is very clean edges. And those halftones too as well. These are coming out pretty great, guys. All right, well, I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. Let's get this pressed. We're printing on a black Smart Blank Style 402, one of our favorite tees for DTF. It has that premium feel, it keeps its color rich, and it picks up the fine details with a super clean finish. If you're aiming for a sharp, professional looking print, this shirt is a solid choice. You can find more details about it in the description below. Next, we're gonna be using the Fever 15x15 heat press. This press has been extremely dependable for us, steady pressure, consistent performance, and clean results every time. When you're working with detailed transfers, that's kind of reliability makes all the difference. Let's get started. Let's get this cut real quick. We just need one. All right. Our heat press settings are pretty standard, 300 degrees, a 10-second timer for the press time, and we're doing heavy pressure. I know usually in all on our pamphlets we do recommend 7 seconds on the press time, but for this heat press on 5-second intervals, we're doing 10 seconds. All right, let's get started here. We're gonna set up our laser real quick. We have already set our laser up. Just gonna adjust it a little bit here. There we go. Awesome. Now we're gonna get our shirt. We're gonna try our best to align it straight. Looks good. Now I'm just gonna try to make a midway point from here. And then use the laser to help me align. Now set to press. Ooh, looks good. I know usually we would wait 15 seconds, but again, this is a hot and cold peel. You can just peel right off the bat, and wow, guys, that came out really good. That came out really good. We are gonna just flip this on the other side because we want it to symbolize fur, so I think we're just gonna keep it as like a matte, more of a matte finish than the actual matte finish. Okay, let's take a closer look at this. All right, guys, let's take a closer look here. Guys, I know you can't feel what I'm feeling, but it's very weird. This is very weird. This looks good. This looks really good. I like it a lot. And then, but when you zoom in, you could see those little halftones that are being added right there. Guys, this did phenomenal. This did phenomenal. This really did good. Look at those halftones that are getting added there. Simulating, when you go farther away, it has that simulation of fur. Oh my gosh, guys, this did well. This did really well. I'm excited. Awesome. Well, and just like that, the design transforms from digital artwork onto a fully finished fur effect graphic on a real shirt. From start to finish, concept creation, print and press. If you picked up something new or felt inspired, tap the like button or drop a comment on what design you use for this prompt. And subscribe for more DTF tips, experiments, and creative breakdowns. I'll catch you guys on the next one.